One is we want to be successful, but the other thing is, which is now becoming more important, is we want to be seen to be successful. So
in this video, we're going to talk about the millionaire, billionaire social media lifestyle. Is it real? Is it fake? As Muslims, what do we need to be aware of? And is the billionaire lifestyle something worth chasing? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Mufti Sahab.
wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Millionaire, billionaire, subhanallah.
I'll just touch on this. I'm not sure how. I know that you've always spent most of your days. You're a very, very busy man to get hold of, and you're doing. And I'm looking forward to revealing to our community the kind of work that you've been doing on international level, government level, etc., etc. But in social media, we've had this trend. It's a social media age now, and we're now moving into the AI age, where it's going to get even more complex. Is this Instagram lifestyle, they call it?
Yes.
Where you'll see people who are showcasing their lifestyle. So in the past, you've had people who have done quite well and they're showcasing their lifestyle, and people find that quite endearing or motivating or challenging, and they want to keep up with the Joneses, or it's just inspiration. And it started with inspiration, like you have the Pinterest, you have the Facebooks, you had the Instagram, you had now TikTok, you have etc., etc. And people showcase a lifestyle where they're showing their millionaire, they've got the fantastic cars, and the good thing, I guess, in the lines of dunya is, we in this worldly life, you get a glimpse into what is out there, the kind of restaurants, the halal restaurants, or the halal lifestyle that wasn't available to this community, especially this migrant community in the UK. We're talking about, and the US a little bit more different, because the demographics are a little bit more different. But in the Western world, so to say, as a broad category, that you get to see a lifestyle that was not available to you or your forefathers before, and naturalized into somewhat of a difficult position. What's your thoughts on that?
No, it's an excellent introduction, because you cover all the complications and all the potential pitfalls, but also address the positives as well, that you clearly mentioned there. I think if I just sort of unpack it a little bit, the first thing is successful. One is we want to be successful, but the other thing is, which is now becoming more important, is we want to be seen to be successful. So, and I think we've kind of just gone past that tipping point. I believe that it is now more important to be seen to be successful than to actually be successful, which is an ajib thing, because going back to, in the 70s and 80s and even the 90s, and even the sort of noughties and possibly even the 10s, being successful was the most important thing.